As you probably saw in our last video where we removed the sway bar, we never put the factory skid plates on. That's because we got a set of C4 Fabrication powder coated skid plates from the front, mid, and the transfer case skid. We have the factory TRD skid plates removed, and you could clearly see they provide nowhere near the coverage that the C4 Fabrication skid plates provide. And I don't know how well you can see this, but just the sheer thickness of these skid plates, the weight of the skid plates is nowhere near comparison of the C4 Fabrications. They did their job. They got a couple bashes, a couple scrapes, but hopefully these are going to do better for us. All right, you can see the sheer size difference between these skid plates and the factory ones. These are all powder coated 3/16" steel. These have the doors for your oil filter, for your oil drain, so you don't have to remove the skid plates every time you change it out. This one does not have the cutout for the exhaust, where I'll try to throw a clip up there. The exhaust comes down and you lose a couple inches of ground clearance. This one is made to sit flat, so I'm gonna have to get my exhaust re-welded and modified to go around the transfer case. We're gonna grab this and we're gonna slide it underneath the truck. Sucker, not light. All right, now I got to throw these two carriage bolts in the back. It's going to go through the cross member. All right, there's one. All right, here's the other side, throwing the carriage bolt in. Square plate on top. Washer. And lock nut. These are reusing the original 12mm bolts back here. All right, bolts. And it comes with new carriage bolts we need to mount here. All right, I'm gonna go hunt down some carriage bolts. Hopefully I'm not shooting myself in the foot. Hopefully I can still get to the second one. Oh no, I scratched it.
Like it's not going to get a lot of scratches coming up here shortly.
Yeah, that's why we need to go with some 38s or 40s.
Oh, I got a feeling you'll be doing 38s eventually.
That's for your car.
38 on mine? Why?
Because it's a Jeep.
But the Jeep doesn't do all the operating that Tacoma does.
Well, you need to change that. Both of your viewers want to see you riding it. All right, and that's all we can do for now. I'm going to go through and re-button up these. I got to come out and check these, make sure these are snug. And I believe we are done. The final skid plate has got to get sandwiched between this skid plate, this cross member. It's going to come straight back. We're going to add a cross member about here. This is why we can't install that skid plate right now. This exhaust thing's too low, is out of the way. You can see where it's been hit a couple times. It's got to be modified to come out this way, come around the transfer case and tie back into the existing exhaust. All right, guys, let me try to bring you up to speed on what we had to do. We did the first part of the skid plates, which you saw. I had to get the exhaust rerun. I got some video, I'm going to show you that. All right, for the transfer case skid, you can see the exhaust rerun. To install this final cross member on the transfer case skid, we ran into a problem. There's supposed to be a bolt goes through your frame here that you bolted into here. I don't have a hole in my frame for that. Plus, it's hitting the bracket for my rock sliders. So what I did is I went up top in the bracket. I don't know if you can see it, but right up here, I marked a hole on each side, drilled a hole right there, made it big enough I could get this massive bolt through it, and bolted it down here and here, that side, and on this side over here. Got everything lined up. To get the skid plate in, you have to loosen up these bolts that hold the mid plate in, lower the mid plate, sandwich the transfer case skid in between them, fit a little spacer into here, throw a carriage bolt in to hold it together, and reinsert these bolts, the original factory bolts. Okay, I've got the skid plates installed. I'm going to step down and let you take a look.